Greetings and welcome to the video introduction to the second midterm exam in Chemistry 222, and I'm really glad to have you here. Okay, the second midterm exam is over chapter guides 4 and 5. So the second midterm exam will have questions over gases, PV equals nRT, all that kind of jazz. We will also talk about solids, liquids, and gases and how they interconvert with each other. So we'll talk about phase diagrams, the properties of solids and liquids. We'll talk about intermolecular forces. Remember, it's really important to know which ones are strongest and weaker, stuff like that. We'll totally talk about solutions as well, because solutions are really important. Solutions, of course, we'll talk about the different types of calculations involved, especially for concentrations. Make sure you're hip to mole fraction, weight percent, molality. Then we'll talk about the colligative properties of solutions, specifically Raoult's law, boiling point elevation, freezing point depression, osmosis, and again, don't forget about Henry's law either. That sometimes pops in as well. So a lot of material. It'll be definitely a math heavier kind of exam. But again, it's nothing you can't do. If you've done the last material, which I bet you have, then you're going to be good to go. You are also not alone. So if you get stuck on some kind of concept, you can't figure it out, definitely let me know. I'm happy to help you. I know this stuff can be a little wild, but it is all stuff you can do. And as my goal as your instructor to help you out. Now, the format of the exam could be really random, like I talked about in the previous one of these for midterm exam 1. The exam might be totally online. It might actually be given in a classroom. It depends on the type of section you're in. So ask me if you're uncertain. But probably the midterm will have some multiple choice questions and some short answer questions. You should absolutely use a periodic table. And you can definitely find sample midterm exams on the Chemistry 222 website. And I encourage you to check those out. They're great ways to study. You can also prepare, see the material you're stronger with and stuff like that. Okay, I'm really rooting for you. Good luck with your studying and have a wonderful day.